Hi friends, this is Devansh and in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix this error Epic Game Launcher won't open in Windows 10. So please watch this video completely and The first method is just try to end the task of the Epic game from the task manager. For that, go to the task manager and once the task manager get open, scroll down and search for the Epic Game Launcher. In the background processes you might find the Epic Game Launcher. Right click on it or directly click on End Task at the bottom. Once you click on End Task, the task will be completely shut down from the system. Then just go and restart again the launcher and check are you able to open it or not. So this is the first method and this might fix the error. If it doesn't, then move to the second method. The next method to fix this error is you have to repair the Epic Launcher file. For that you have to go to the control panel first. Once the control panel get open, search for the program. So once it get open, go to the program. Here into the program, go to the program and features. Now go to the Epic Game Launcher, right click on it and click on repair. Once you click on repair, what will happen? It will start again installing the Epic Game Launcher from the program file and it will check the Windows configuration again related to the Epic Game Launcher. So if it is any issue related to the installation of the file, it will try to fix that problem. So this will happen with the help of this Epic Game this repair functionality. You have to wait for some time for this process, so it will take some time. So I'm moving it forward to the final phase. Just keep wait till this is performing its operations. Once the operation ends, you have to just close this and refresh it, and just again you have to execute the game or play the Epic Game Launcher file and then check you are getting the error or not. So the last method to fix this error is run it as administrator. For that you have to go to the properties and then go to the compatibility. Here you will get this option, run this program as administrator. Click on it, click on OK and then click on apply. Once you click on apply, next time when you run this program, it will run as an administrator. So this is the last method to fix this error. Just try these all method. If any of this method help you to fix the error, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.